NASDAQ this week has risen in value. We can see the price formed a bullish break at about 21,544. We can see that and reach the next resistance level at 21,872. From here, the price returned back down and currently stopped the week at this support level, but we can see the price try to move further down, but it has bounced from this area of demand zone. The weekly time frame has closed as a small bullish candle, but we can see in the previous week the price formed this bearish engulfing candle, which was indicating further decline in value, but the price has stayed here, and we can see the price has tested the previous support here at 21,544, which is currently acting as a resistance. So we can say that there is a high probability, at least what I can see, that this bearish engulfing candle has been confirmed, which means there is potential for further decline in value. Now, the monthly time frame is still bullish. We can see until the price stays above 21,000, it will be a bullish candle. How the month will close in the next 2 days, we'll see tomorrow and also the day after that. But what I can see here on the daily time frame, there is high probability and also potential that the price reaches 21,255 as support level. Less likely to go to 21,000, but we will see because of this strong weekly time frame. We can see that weekly bearish engulfing candle indicating further decline, where 21,000 is also the next target. The daily time frame shows currently we have here a small support, so we'll see how the price behaves around this area 21,255, which is a very important critical level support that is preventing the price from reaching this area. If the price forms a bearish breakout here at 21,255, that will be also a signal for the further decline in value. And we can see on the 4-hour time frame I have these dotted lines that are showing me how the price behaves and also what are the small levels that is preventing the price from reaching bottom levels. And we can see 21,383 is the first level for the price in order to continue to fall in value, reaching around 21,255 and then 21,63. Will the price manage to stay below, or it will make a bullish breakout? We'll see how the price behaves around this area of confluence of resistance. We can see it at 21,673. We will see how the price behaves that, but for now the daily time frame shows me daily support level that is not broken. We will see how the price behaves on a Monday, because it is a holiday season where there is less volatility, and it will be very important to follow smaller time frame like 4-hour time frame to see how the price behaves around the smaller support and resistance levels. That will also show further direction of the price when the bullish or bearish breakout happens. This will be also shared inside the premium analysis, so feel free to check that. The link will be below. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.